Hi, this is Sir Romy again. What you will learn today? After going through this lesson, you are expected to illustrate system of linear equation in two variables and determine if the graph of the systems of equation are parallel, perpendicular, intersecting, or coinciding lines. But before that, I will give you an inspirational message. I know for sure what we dwell on is who we become, by Oprah Winfrey. In the previous lesson, we were able to graph the linear equation in two variables. The graph is a line that either rises to the right or falls to the right. The graph rises to the right, okay, pataas, if the slope is positive. If it falls to the right, then the slope is negative. When the graph is a horizontal line, then the slope is 0. When the graph is vertical, then the graph is undefined. Okay. We will take an example. Graph a pair of linear equations in one coordinate plane. Okay, let's try this one. Line 1 is x plus y is equals to negative 9. Line 2 is y plus 3x is equals to negative 6. Okay, how will you plot the graph of this first equation and the second equation? Okay. Now, the best way is to convert these equations into the slope-intercept form. Bakit slope-intercept form? Para makuha natin ang slope at makuha din natin ang y-intercept. Okay, at line 1, x plus y is equals to negative 9. How will you convert this? Okay, di ba maiiwan dapat yung y sa left side? Ililipat natin ang x ngayon sa kabila. So y will become negative x minus 9. Okay, meron na tayong slope. What is our slope? Negative 1 or negative 1 over 1. And the y-intercept is negative 9. Okay. For the line 2, equation number 2, y plus 3x is equals to negative 6. Y ang dapat maiwan sa kaliwa. Then, we have to transfer the 3x to the other side of the equation. Y will become negative 3x minus 6. Then our slope will be negative 3 or negative 3 over 1. And our y-intercept is negative 6. Ngayon, ipa-plot natin ngayon. How will we plot this? Okay. Meron tayong y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Andito ang y-intercept natin. Bakit dito? Kasi negative 9 sa baba ng 0. Okay. Now, we will take the slope. 1 for the run. Pabaligtad kasi negative. 1. Then 1 pataas. So, andito na siya ngayon. 1, then 1. We have to connect this. Okay, we will connect. Okay, so this will be our graph. Equation number 1. This is x plus y is equals to negative 9. Now, we will plot equation number 2. What is our y-intercept? Negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this will be our y-intercept. The run is 1. and the rise is negative 3 or otherwise. So, since this is negative, paatras, isa, then pataas, tatlo. Isa, 1, 2, 3. So, nandito. Okay. Now, we will plot equation number 2. How will we plot that? Okay, ganito yan. So, this is our equation number 2, which is y plus 3x is equals to negative 6. Okay. So, malinaw. So, we may proceed to our main topic. The graph of systems of linear equation may coincide, may be parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. The graph of systems of linear equation. Ano ba yung systems of linear equation? A pair of linear equations in two variables form a system of linear equations. The graph of a system of two equations is a pair of lines in the plane. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabing system of linear equations, isang pares ng linear equations. Ano ibig sabihin ng pares? Dalawa. Dalawang linear equations in two variables ang kailangan natin para makabuo tayo ng system of linear equations. Okay, proceed. Example, graph the system of linear equations. Equation 1. 2y is equals to 4x plus 6. Equation 2, y is equals to 2x plus 8. Okay, system of linear equations. Kasi dalawang linear equations. A pair of linear equations. Ano ang gagawin natin dito? Okay, first step is to convert equation 1 to y-intercept, slope-intercept form. Okay, convert equation 1 to slope-intercept form. Okay, bakit kailangan pa natin i-convert? Kasi meron pang nakakabit na 2 sa y. Di ba ang slope-intercept form natin, y is equals to mx plus b. So dapat wala nakakabit sa y. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? I-divide natin sa 2. Now, kung i-divide natin sa 2, dapat mag-divide din tayo ng 2 sa right side ng equation. Bakit 2? Para maalis itong 2. Because 2 divided by 2 will become 1. This will become 1y or y. Then this will become what? 4x divided by 2 will become 2x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ano bang sabi ko sa inyo? Dapat himay-himayin nyo. Hindi pwedeng isa lang ang i-divide natin. Dapat bawat term ang i-divide natin. So 4x divided by 2 is 2x, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, positive kasi positive ang x ay ang 6. Okay. Equation 2. Y is equals to 2x plus 8. Ito hindi na kailangan to i-convert. Bakit? Kasi y na eh. Wala nakakabit sa y. So y equals 2x plus 8. Okay. Ano ang slope nito? Okay. Equation 1. Slope is equals to 2 or 2 over 1. Now, you have your slope already. Equals 2 over 1. What is your y-intercept? Your y-intercept is 3. Positive 3. Now, for equation 2, what is our slope? Our slope is 2 or 2 over 1. Then your y-intercept is 8. Positive. Okay, expect this to be going up from the right side. Expect this to be going up to the right side because the slope is positive. Okay, now we will plot the line. The y-intercept is 3. So the 3 must be on top of 0. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is our slope? 2 is to 1. Since this is positive, it must be going to the right. So 1 ang run, 2 ang rise. 1 ang run, 2 ang rise. Okay, so we will connect. This will become what? Okay. So this will be your line. 2y is equals to 4x plus 6. Okay, equation 2. Let us plot equation 2. Equation 2 is slope is 2 over 1 and y is 8. So your y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Andito. Okay, what is our slope? Our run is 1. Our rise is 2. Okay, then this is our second line, second point. Connect. Okay, so this will be our equation 2. This is y is equals to 2x plus 8. Ngayon, ano ang napansin ninyo? Anong napansin ninyo? The two lines are parallel. Diba pag sinabi nating parallel, hindi sila magkakatagpo kailanman. Okay. So since this is parallel, or these two lines are parallel, what have you noticed? Anong napansin niyo sa mga equations natin? Okay, ano ang napansin niyo? Okay. Di ba yung slope niya ay 2 sa equation 1? Ang slope ng equation 2 natin ay 2. Ibig sabihin, ang slope number 1 ay kapareho ng slope number 2. Okay. Ano naman ang napansin nyo sa y-intercept? Okay, sa y-intercept, okay, b sub 1, this is our b. Okay, this is m sub 1, m sub 2. This is our b sub 2. Is not equal to b, okay, b sub 2. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, for the lines to be parallel, no? Your slope must be equal. And your y-intercepts must not be equal. Okay, that is our first case. So, let's try another one. Equation number 1 is 9y is equals to 6x minus 18. Equation 2 is 9x plus 3y is equals to negative 24. Okay, let us try these two equations. Tingnan natin kung the graph will be parallel, will be perpendicular, will coincide, or they will just intersect. Okay, try natin. So, we have to convert equation number 1 into slope-intercept form. Sir, bakit slope-intercept form lagi? Pwede namang 2 points. Pwede namang 2 points. Pwede namang x and y intercepts. Pwede. Okay, let's try this one. At equation number 1, 9y is equals to 6x minus 18. Anong gagawin natin para maging slope-intercept form? Divide both sides by 9. Okay, so 9 and 9 will be cancelled out. This will become 1. So anong matira? Y is equals to 6 over 9 x minus 18 over 9. So y is equals to what? 6 over 9 is also the same as what? As 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Okay. So, your m sub 1 is 2/3 and your y-intercept is -2. At equation number 2, 9x plus 3y is equals to -24. Okay. Transpose 9x to the other side. This will become 3y is equals -9x minus 24. Now, divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Y will become -3x minus 24 divided by 3, 8. So your slope is -3 or -3/1, and your y-intercept is -8. Okay, we will plot this. Okay. For our equation number 1, what is our y-intercept? -2. So, dapat nandito siya sa baba ng 0. Okay. What is our slope? Our run is 3. Ito yung run. Ito yung rise. Our run is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then, the rise is 2. 1, 2. So, andito. Okay, now, we will connect this. Okay. So, this will be our first graph. 9y is equals to 6x minus 18. Next. What is our y-intercept? -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The rise is 3 and the run is -1. Since this is negative, the slope is negative, pabalik. So 1, then 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nandito na. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1. Okay, so, we'll connect this now. Okay, so this will be your what? Second equation. 9x plus 3y is equals to -24. Now, anong napansin ninyo? Anong napansin ninyo? The systems of linear equation is just intersecting. No? Nag-intersect lang sila, hindi sila parallel, hindi sila perpendicular, hindi sila nag-coincide. Then, ano ang napansin ninyo sa equation natin? The slopes, m sub 1 and m sub 2, hindi pareho. Okay. M sub 1 is not equal to m sub 2. How about the y-intercept? Y-intercept. B sub 1. Where is your B sub 1? -2. And B sub 2 is -8. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sila pareho. Ibig sabihin, the lines are just intersecting. Okay, so, intersecting lines lang. Kapag ka ang m sub 1 mo at saka m sub 2 ay hindi pareho, at saka yung y-intercepts, b sub 1 and b sub 2 hindi pareho, then the lines are just intersecting lines. Okay. Okay, so we will try another one. Equation 1 is y is equals to 3x plus 2. And equation 2 is y is equals to negative 1/3 x plus 4. Okay. At equation 1, hindi na natin kailangan i-convert sa slope-intercept form. Bakit? Kasi nasa slope-intercept form na eh. Wala nang nakakabit sa y. So y is equals to 3x plus 2. Ano ang slope mo ngayon? So 3 or 3/1. What is your y-intercept? Your y-intercept is positive 2. Okay, equation 2. Our equation 2 is y is equals to negative 1/3 x plus 4. Ano ang slope mo ngayon? Negative 1/3, pababa. Then what is your y-intercept? Positive 4. Okay, so this will be your b sub 2, b sub 1. Okay, so we will graph now. What is our equation 1? Y is equals to 3x plus 2. And then what is our y-intercept? Y-intercept is 2. So 2, nasa taas ng 0. Andito. What is our slope? 3 or 3/1. This is your run. And this is your rise. Okay, ang run natin, so ang slope natin ay positive, expect this to be going up, no? So run is 1. Eto. Rise is 3. Okay. Andito ang point mo. Okay, sir, saan galing yung 1 at saka 3? Paano mo ginagawa yan? Okay, ganito yan. Ang run mo ay 1. Ibig sabihin, nandito lang, isang step. Pag sinabing rise is 3, 3 beses. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then, connect. Hindi pumasok. This will be our equation number 1. Y is equals to 3x plus 2. Okay, now we will plot equation number 2. Equation number 2 is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. What is our y-intercept? Eto, y-intercept is 4. Nasa taas pa rin ng 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Andito. Okay, since the slope is negative, expect the graph to be going down. So, what is your run? Your run is 3. And your rise is 1. Okay, since this is negative, okay, pabalik. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then rise is 1. Pataas. Okay, andito na ngayon ang point. No? 1, pataas. Then connect. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Y is equals to negative 1/3 x plus 4. Ano ang napansin ninyo? Ano ang napansin ninyo? Okay. They are perpendicular. The graphs are perpendicular. 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Ibig sabihin, perpendicular yung dalawang graph. Okay, meron siyang 90 degrees angle. Okay. Let's look back. Ano ba ang napansin nyo ngayon? The lines or the graph are perpendicular. Anong napansin nyo ngayon? Okay. Slope M sub 1 is a negative reciprocal of m sub 2. M sub 1 is a negative reciprocal of m sub 2. Ibig sabihin, kapag i-multiply mo ang m sub 1 at saka m sub 2, magiging negative 1. They are negative reciprocal. Okay, ano pang napansin niyo? Ito, b sub 1 at saka b sub 2. b sub 1 at saka b sub 2 ay hindi pareho. They are not equal. The y-intercept. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, kapag negative reciprocal ang dalawang slope ng pair of linear equations, expect your lines to be perpendicular. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say equation number 1 is 10x plus 5y is equals to 30. Then equation number 2, let's say 2x plus y equals to 6. Okay, what is our first step? Convert these equations into slope-intercept form. Now, at equation number 1, 10x plus 5y is equals to 30. Transfer 10x to the right side of the equation. This will become negative 10x. So, 5y na lang ang matira. 5y is equals to negative 10x plus 30. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. Okay, 5 divided by 5 will become 1. So, y na lang ang matira. Okay, himay-himayin mo. Negative 10x divided by 5 will become negative 2x. 30 divided by 5 will become 6. So, your slope number 1 is negative 2. And your y-intercept 1 is 6. Okay. At equation number 2, 2x plus y is equals to 6. Transfer 2x to the right side of the equation. This will become what? Okay, y na lang ang matira. Ang 2x mo maging negative 2x, then plus 6. So, what is your slope? Your slope number 2 is negative 2. And your y-intercept b sub 2 is 6. Okay, we will graph now. What is our equation number 1? Equation number 1 is 10x plus 5y equals 30. Now, what is our y-intercept? 6. So, expect this to be on top of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, andito na. Now, what is our slope? Negative 2 or negative 2 over 1. Your run is 1. Ibig sabihin, pag negative, pabalik. Andito. And your rise is 2. Okay. So, nandito. Okay, this will be your graph. Connect. This will be your graph. Okay. So, this will be your 10x plus 5y equals 30. Okay, next. Graph number 2. Now, let's take another color. Blue. What is our y-intercept? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Andito rin. And what is your slope? Negative 2 or negative 2 over 1. Ito yung run mo, 1. Pabalik din. And your rise is 2. Andito rin. So, ibig sabihin, ang graph mo ay eto. Ano ang napansin ninyo? Ano ang napansin ninyo? Okay, this is our equation number 2. 2x plus y equals 6. The two lines coincide with each other. Ibig sabihin, nagkapatong yung dalawang line. So, the lines may coincide, ibig sabihin, magkapatong silang dalawa sa isang space. The lines may coincide if, tignan natin kung anong nangyari. M sub 1 at saka M sub 2, pareho. At saka, okay, y-intercept 1, b sub 1, at saka b sub 2, pareho. Okay, kapag napansin niyo na ang slope ng isang line at ang slope ng isang line ay parehong-pareho, at saka yung y-intercept ng isang line, ang y-intercept ng pangalawang line ay parehong-pareho rin, then the lines will coincide. Okay, so that's it.